Best foldable laptop tables provide comfortable workspace flexibility, save space, improve posture, and make working, studying, or browsing easier anywhere. My today's video is about top 5 best foldable laptop tables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Lifetime 80251 Adjustable Folding Laptop Table. This foldable laptop table is a practical choice for anyone who needs a flexible workspace without sacrificing portability. Its adjustable height settings at 24, 26, and 28 inches allow you to find a comfortable position for working, studying, crafting, or using it as a convenient bedside table. With an open size of 26 by 18 inches, the tabletop offers useful space for a laptop, books, or other essentials. One of its biggest advantages is the lightweight, foldable design. It folds flat for easy transportation and storage, making it especially useful in smaller rooms or when moving between locations. The UV-protected tabletop is also stain-resistant and easy to clean, helping it maintain a neat appearance with everyday use. Built with a powder-coated steel frame and 0.7-inch leg tubing, this table combines durability with a simple, space-saving design. Overall, it's a versatile and convenient solution for everyday tasks. Now our second product is Biofy 23.4-inch Foldable Lap Desk Bed Table. This foldable laptop bed desk is a versatile and space-saving solution for working, studying, reading, or relaxing from the comfort of your bed, sofa, or floor. Measuring 23.43 by 15.75 by 9.25 inches, it provides ample space for a laptop, books, snacks, or meals while maintaining a comfortable setup. The foldable design requires no assembly. Simply open the legs when needed and fold the desk in half for compact storage afterward. A built-in cup holder keeps your drink secure, while the tablet and phone slot provides convenient hands-free viewing for movies, video calls, or reading. Its multifunctional design makes it useful as a laptop workstation, dining tray, writing desk, or picnic table, and it can even be used outdoors. The lightweight construction makes transportation between rooms effortless. When not needed, it can easily fit beside a sofa or under a bed, making it particularly practical for smaller living spaces. Our third product is FRYLR Small Folding Computer Desk. This folding desk combines convenience, stability, and space-saving functionality, making it a smart choice for home offices, students, and compact living spaces. It requires no tools or assembly. Simply unfold it and have a ready-to-use workspace in about 10 seconds. The generous 35.8 x 15.7-inch surface provides enough room for a laptop, books, or everyday essentials. Built with a thick tabletop and heavy-duty metal frame, the desk offers dependable support for working, studying, or crafting while helping minimize shaking and bending. The eco-friendly, low VOC wood-grain surface adds a modern appearance, while anti-slip feet help protect floors from scratches and improve stability. T28.7 inches high, its ergonomic design supports a comfortable working position. When finished, the desk folds to just 2.9 inches thick, allowing easy storage under a bed or behind a door. Lightweight and versatile, it's an excellent option for temporary workstations or everyday use. Now number 4, Saiji Height and Angle Adjustable Lap Desk Laptop Stand. The Saiji Laptop Bed Desk is designed to make working, studying, and relaxing more comfortable wherever you are. Its soft wrist rest pad provides added comfort, while the retractable blocker helps prevent your laptop from sliding off the surface. With 5 adjustable heights from 9.4 to 12.6 inches and 4 angle settings from 0 degrees to 36 degrees, you can customize the setup to encourage a more comfortable posture and reduce strain during extended use. This versatile desk works as a laptop workstation, study table, writing desk, tablet stand, book table, or couch workstation, making it useful for bedrooms, dorms, offices, and travel. The durable wooden tabletop and high-quality metal legs provide a sturdy structure capable of supporting up to 80 pounds. When not in use, It folds flat to just 1.8 inches thick for convenient storage and transportation. Overall, its adjustability, stability, portability, and multifunctional design make it a practical everyday workspace. And our last choice is Luxury Foldable Desk Laptop Stand. This multifunctional lap desk is a practical companion for work, study, meals, and relaxation. It can serve as a laptop stand, bed tray, breakfast table, writing desk, gaming surface, picnic table, portable office, or kids' study desk, making it useful at home or while traveling. No assembly is required, so you can simply unfold the legs and start using it. Designed with comfort in mind, the smooth, rounded edges and polished surface help minimize accidental bumps while providing a pleasant working experience. Using the desk on your lap can also create a more convenient setup when working or studying from a bed, sofa, or floor. The foldable legs make storage effortless, allowing the desk to slide under a bed, fit inside a narrow closet, or stand upright on a counter. Its lightweight construction makes transportation easy without sacrificing stability. As a breakfast tray, it's especially convenient for enjoying meals in bed when getting up isn't practical. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.